Hey, Kush! Listen.
What happened?
Please take me along. Drop me on your way, huh?
Niharika, I have to go somewhere urgently. I won't be able to stop in the way. Why don't you take the other car? Huh?
I know, Kush. Why you won't take me along? Hey, listen. I'm asking you to drop me on your way. I'm not asking you to take me out for lunch or shopping. I'm not asking for anything, right?
Well,
Deepika? Kush, my dear.
what happened, Mom?
Dear, did you have a business meeting yesterday? Love didn't come home last night. He returned this morning.
Mom, business meetings aren't held at the night. And even if they are, they don't go on for the whole night. Maybe this meeting, I don't know much about it, Mom.
Mom? Did you call me?
Dear, where was Love last night? Bannu told me he came home in the morning. Where did he go?
Yes, Mom. His meeting went on for the whole night. That's why he got late.
Mom, I'll get going. I have to reach somewhere urgently.
I'm sure Kush is going to meet Arjun. But what's there in this bag? How do I find out? I couldn't even read the message. So what if he won't take me along? I can follow him. Then I can directly tell Tina. Why should I tell Tina? I'll tell Karan directly about it. Mom, I have to go to the market, city center. I'll be back soon, huh?
Okay. Deepika, Love joined his father's business many years ago. This is the first time he stayed out of the house the entire night, and no one at home knows about it. No one knows where he went for the meeting. Dear, you are his wife. You have the right to know about his work and his whereabouts. Dear, a wife should never hesitate in asking him a question. If you don't ask him today, then you will never be able to ask.
Yes, Mom.
Yes, Arjun.
Is the bag ready?
Yes, it's ready, Arjun.
Okay, I'm outside the campus. I'll send you the location. Bring the bag here quickly.
Okay. I'm on the way only. I'll be there in a few minutes.
Hello? Love is asleep. This is his wife, Deepika. And if you want, you can give the message to me. I wanted to talk to him. Please ask him to call me back.
Who were you talking to?
This is our own car? Is someone following me?
Didn't I tell you not to touch my phone without my permission? Don't you understand such a small thing? There is something called privacy, and you have no right to touch my phone. Okay?
You were with this girl last night, weren't you? You will go to her even today. Fine. If you want to stay with this girl, then tell your mother about it.
What nonsense are you talking? You stay at home all day. Why don't you do something productive, Deepika? And why would you drag mom into this? Tell me. Oh, I get it. You want to complain about me to mom.
Complain? Love, if you were truly mine, I would have done that for sure. You're my husband. But you never gave me the right to be your loved one. Neither you could be mine. So I did not complain about you.
Oh, you did not tell her. Well, why this husband-wife drama all of a sudden, Deepika? By the way, don't spoil my mood by talking about all this in the morning, please. What do you want? You want mom to know all this so that you can gain her sympathy. Am I right? Let me tell you, Deepika, nothing of the sort would happen because there is no such thing between Rachna and me.
Oh, so you think that I want to put you down in mom's eyes? Love, can I tell you something? When relationships get complicated, you have to sort them yourself instead of making someone else do it for you. Love, I remain silent, but I'm not ignorant. And a fool. I am certainly not a fool.
Dia?
Mom, I'm so sorry. I had to call you urgently.
What happened, dear? Is everything all right? And as per the rules of your camp, you aren't allowed to meet visitors at this hour. Then how did you get out? And why did Arjun not come with you? Where is he?
No, Mom. Arjun did not come. In fact, he doesn't even know that I called you here.
Dear, what happened? Why did you have to come to meet me without telling Arjun?
Mom,
Why isn't Kush here yet? Where were you? I've been waiting for you.
Here's your stuff.
What's wrong, Kush? Why do you look tense?
Yeah, Niharika was following me.
Then?
Come out. Come out. I said come out.
Kush. What happened?
Come here. Were you following me, huh? Huh?
Yes. Because I feel that you are hiding something from me. And I know what's going on in your life.
I am hiding something.
Yes.
What?
That you are having an affair with someone else. You are having an affair, Kush. Oh, Lord.
What rubbish? What are you saying, Niharika?
What do you mean? It's the truth. You don't talk to me these days. You don't share anything with me. Forget showing some love. You just avoid me, Kush. I know everything. This morning, I told you to drop me on your way. And what did you say? No? Why?
I told you I had an urgent work. It's not what you think, Niharika.
It is what I think. I know everything. I want to know the truth. Otherwise I'll die in front of
Hey,
your
hey,
car.
Niharika. Wait a minute. What are you doing? Just wait. Okay. Wait a second. Here you go. Check my phone. There's nothing in it. You even know the password. Just check it.
Fine. I believe you if you say so.
Go home, please. Please go. Come on.
Hey, listen. Please come home early in the evening.
I will. Come on. Thankfully, I saw her. Otherwise, she'd have followed me till here. And I sent her back then. Okay. You do what you got to do and take care.
Thank you.
What's the matter, Dia? Why do you look so worried? Is there a problem at your camp? Did Karan do something?
Mom, I'm not worried for myself. I'm worried for Arjun.
For Arjun?
Mom, Arjun is very serious about my camp. And he is risking his future to stay in this camp. Mom, I don't want Arjun to take such a big risk for me.
Mom, Arjun is taking a huge risk for me. The thought of it wouldn't let me sleep. I can't take it. I always thought that badminton brings Arjun's happiness. Taking him away from badminton would mean taking him away from his life. But Mom, what is the use of a game that would risk one's life? I'm sorry, Mom. I was wrong. I did not listen to you back then. But now I understand why you wanted to keep Arjun away from badminton. Mom, like you, even I want Arjun's happiness. I worry about his life more than my dreams. Mom, I want to take Arjun away from badminton. That is why I called you here.
Karan Mathur has tightened the campus security. I think after yesterday evening, he has his doubts about you, sir.
Yes, in a way, it's good. If Karan is afraid that I may be present here, then he will not do anything to Diya again. Biplab, it's been 5 days. There's just 1 day to go. After that, they have the finals, and then I have to stay near Diya till then.
But sir, if Karan Mathur gets the whole hostel searched, they will search this room as well. What will we do then, sir?
Mom, I know that Arjun will be very angry with me after knowing about this. Perhaps he wouldn't want to see my face even. Perhaps he would ask me to leave the house. But Mom, our marriage is connected to this game, right? When this game will end, our marriage will end too. And Arjun has always supported me. In good and bad times, in the house and outside the house, he has always been by my side. But maybe I wouldn't be able to see that side of him. I have to commit this sin, Mom. I will have to keep Arjun away from badminton. Mom, will you help me?
My dear, if this is your decision, then I support you. At least now you realize why I wanted to keep my son away from this passion and his dream, despite being a mother. I'm happy that you have realized this. Dear, I will always support this decision of yours. And as long as I'm alive, Arjun cannot make you leave the house. Never. I'm happy that you chose your duty as a wife over your dreams. I'm proud of you. This is in everyone's best interest. This is in the best interest of you, Arjun, and entire family. Whatever you say, whatever you want, I will do it for you. Come on. Both of us should tell Arjun that you have left badminton forever. You will never play this game again. Come on, dear.
Mom. No. No, Mom. We can't tell Arjun about this right now. If he found out, he would never let it happen.
Then how will you do this, dear?
I have thought about it too, Mom.
What?
I will have to lose this tournament. In order to convince him, I will have to break Arjun's hope about my victory, Mom. Mom, but promise me that this will stay only between you and me. And you will never tell anyone about it. And even after this, if Arjun asks me to leave the house or his life, you wouldn't let that happen, right? Mom, promise me that you will support me.
Yes, dear, I will never let that happen. I'm always with you, dear. You need not to worry at all. I promise. Together, you and I'll take Arjun away from this darkness.
What happened, Niharika? Why are you blabbering angrily?
Deepika, I'm very unlucky. I'm cursing my fate. What do I even tell you?
How are you, Deepika? What are you doing here?
The number you have called is currently switched off. The number you have called is currently switched off.
Switched off? I had told Dia to keep her phone on at 8:30 p.m. so that we can talk when everyone else goes out for dinner. So why is her phone switched off?
Who's there? Come in.
Ma'am, why is your phone switched off? Sir wants to speak with you.
Biplav, I know Arjun calls me at 8:30 p.m. but I can't find my phone. I don't know where I kept it.
Biplab? Hello?
Yes, sir. You can talk to Dia on my phone. Ma'am, please talk to him. I'll watch the door for you.
Yes, Arjun.
Hello, Dia? Why is your phone switched off?
Arjun, I lost my phone.
You lost it?
Yes, I looked for it in the entire room. I can't find it.
Dia, how many times do I have to tell you to keep your things safely? Wait a minute. Did Monica take your phone?
It's possible, Arjun. But never mind. Even if she did take my phone, she won't be able to prove anything because I delete all the call records after talking to you. Anyway, where are you?
I'm in the storeroom. Dia, you need not worry about me. You start taking care of yourself. It's a matter of just one night. Tomorrow's the tournament. But Monica will plan something tonight as well. So stay alert.
Arjun, I have been alert since the last 5 days. But their plans are getting very dangerous.
Dia, just do one thing. Talk to the warden. Tell her to switch your room.
She won't agree, Arjun.
She will agree, Dia. Why wouldn't she? After yesterday's drama, even the warden knows that Monica doesn't like you. And her presence makes you feel unsafe. Look, Dia, don't worry. Biplab will help you out. Just do one thing. Call him and tell him now. Right now.
Okay, fine. Biplab,
Yes.
Biplab, would you please talk to the warden about changing my room?
Okay, ma'am. Finish talking on the phone, then we'll go to the warden.
Okay. Yes, Arjun.
Dia, listen to me. Even after shifting the room, you need to stay alert. Tomorrow's day is a very important day for the two of us. Very important. One more thing. Tomorrow, under any circumstance, I want to see you win.
It feels great to be here. I know, Deepika, that everyone is angry with me after what I did. Before coming here, I pondered whether I should come here or not. But I have so many memories here. I couldn't hold myself back. I thought I should just try. There's an NGO for kids nearby. I had come over there.
NGO?
Yes, love. I have started working with a children's NGO now. I committed so many immoral acts. I was surrounded by negativity. I was shrouded in darkness. Then these children came into my life. And that was it. I decided that I would change myself.
This is really nice, Tina. No, really. Why are you standing? Please sit. Come.
Tomorrow, Dia's about to compete with this girl. This girl has a lot of strength, and her attacking technique is also very good. And Dia's weakness is her defense. I must remind her once. But then how do I tell her? She's lost her phone. Now I'm at a loss for what to do.
Yes, sir. It will be taken care of. Yes, yes. Consider it done. Boys, come here. Come here. Have you locked Biplab inside the room? Good. You two, take the bag. You both, go this way. He has been hiding for too long. We'll smoke him out today. Come on.
Believe me, Tina, I never thought you would do social service and work for charity. Doing so much for people.
I am not doing this for people. Love, I'm doing it for myself only. I might feel less guilty by doing all this.
If you need any help, do let me know.
I can't see uncle and aunt around. Have they gone out? I have made big mistakes. I've actually wronged them. Yes, they have gone out. And Dia must be at the camp, right? And Arjun, where is he?
He is also at the camp. I mean, Arjun is not at home. He has gone out for a few days. It's obvious he's so concerned about Dia. He must be somewhere close to her. That's what I meant.
Dia is really lucky to have him. Really. Arjun is very caring.
The number you have called is currently switched off.
Switched off? Why is Biplab's phone switched off? He never switches off his phone. Have they, I mean...
This is locked. Get me something to break it open.